Is your smoke alarm beeping 3 times every 15 to 30 minutes? Annoying, right? But don't ignore it. This could mean your alarm is malfunctioning. So, why is it beeping? Most smoke alarms are powered by batteries, either replaceable ones that last 6 months to a year or sealed batteries that last up to 10 years. Over time, these batteries wear out and need attention. But here's the kicker. 3 beeps at regular intervals often signal a malfunction, not just a low battery. If your alarm beeps 3 times every 15 minutes, it's usually a system malfunction, and if it's beeping every 10 minutes, it could be a low battery or a malfunction. Now let's fix it. First, check the battery. If it's replaceable, swap it out with a new one and see if the beeping stops. Next, reset the alarm by pressing and holding the reset button for 20 seconds. Still beeping? Clean the alarm. Dust and cobwebs can trigger malfunctions. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the vents. Also, check the expiration date. Most smoke alarms last 8 to 10 years. If yours is older, it's time for a new one. If the beeping persists despite all this, call the manufacturer for guidance or just replace the alarm. Remember, ignoring a smoke alarm's beeping can lead to false alarms or worse, a failure to alert you in an emergency. If your alarm is beeping 3 times at regular intervals, address it immediately to ensure your home's safety. When in doubt, consult a professional. Stay safe, and if this helped, don't forget to like and share.